स्वागत है आप सभी का नेहा किड्स बुक में। चलिए बच्चों, कलर्स के नेम जानते हैं। ब्लू कलर, ब्लू कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, गोल्डन कलर, गोल्डन कलर, रेड कलर, red color, yellow color, yellow color, green color, green color, blue color. A for apple, A for apple, orange color. B for ball, B for ball, golden color. C for cat, C for cat, red color. D for dog, D for dog, yellow color. E for elephant, green color. F for fish, F for fish, orange color. G for gorilla, red color. H for hen, H for hen, yellow color. I for ice cream, green color. J for joker, golden color. K for king, blue color. L for lemon, green color. M for mango, yellow color. N for nest, red color. O for orange, golden color. P for peacock, orange color. Q for queen, blue color. R for rainbow, R for rainbow, yellow color. S for sheep, S for sheep, green color. T for train, golden color. U for umbrella, blue color. V for van, V for van, red color. W for watermelon, W for watermelon, orange color. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yogurt. Y for yogurt. Golden color. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, kids. See you in next video.